This digital product makes over $35,000, and per month that is over $2,900. And actually, it's only a 1 month old listing, which is absolutely crazy. Now, guys, this is using the newspaper digital product, right? This is the famous Valentine newspaper template, printable, personalized Valentine gift. Now, you've probably seen this before. This newspaper style was literally a newspaper digital product. This is not physical, only a digital product where you literally customize it yourself, put an image of your maybe your Valentine's in this case, and then put a headline and a little bit of writing. It could not be simpler, guys. It's one of the easiest things there. And actually, this type of digital product has many different audiences. I'm going to explain what it is, what they are, and how to produce something like this really quickly. So, if you're interested in anything like this, remember, my name's AJ. I do all things AI, digital products, selling on Etsy, and all of that great stuff. So, if you're interested in any of that, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, let's get into this madness. Now, let me go to analysis. Now, you can see here that this makes approximately $2,934 per month. It's only a 1 month old listing. So, if that goes across the year and they get the same amount, approximately, that would equate to over $35,000 per year. That's crazy. For a digital product, is absolutely phenomenal, especially that it's only a 1 month old listing and they've already managed to get almost $3,000. Now, I'm using EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool, which you need. You need something to actually research and check out the competition and see what digital products actually sell. So check out the link below and definitely try it out. Now, this is a bestseller bomb. Now, let's get into this a little bit more. Now, these newspaper digital products, right? People love sending these to their loved ones. They love to do these for birthdays, for anniversaries, for weddings, all kinds of things. It's quite a known digital product that is been around for a bit. And actually, when I do my analysis, there are so many digital product sellers that are making a good amount of money from this type of digital product. In fact, let me show you a few examples. Okay, here's another bestseller. This is a more specific to birthdays. You can see the birthday here where it says Sarah turns 25 today. Obviously, an image of Sarah, headline, and that kind of information. So the principle remains the same. It's a different kind of look to the newspaper, but it has the same principle, right? Let's have a look at another one. And actually, this is making over $1,700. Remember, that's just one listing. Let's check out another one. Okay, and here is another one, and this one is more for the bridesmaid. This is a bridesmaid proposal newspaper template, again, editable. So there are many different customers for this type of newspaper digital product template that you can sell to. So it's a very versatile digital product, something that you can actually make money by selling to different kinds of people. And actually, there are sellers out here doing very well selling only newspaper templates. Now, on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to produce this, and you're actually going to kick yourself because you're going to be shocked on how easy it is to produce. Even your pet dog can create this in about 2 minutes. So listen, check this out. Okay, now I'm on Canva, one of my go-to design platforms that I like to use. Check out the link below if you want to try it out. And guys, this could not be simpler, right? Look at this. I'm going to take you through this step by step, and it's literally going to take about 2 minutes to do. So this is Canva. They've got many templates. So if you go to the left, click templates, then it's going to ask you what kind of template you're looking for. I'm simply going to say newspaper. I'll say wedding because wedding is one type of invitation, newspaper wedding invitation. No, I'm going to say newspaper wedding template, right? Keep it simple. It's going to know what I'm talking about because AI is going to know everything. Click enter, right? So now that I've clicked enter, just have a look and see all the different types of newspaper style templates that it sells. Look at this. It's crazy, guys. There's so many different types. So you can actually have a unique style, something that you want to actually use. I mean, it even gives you ideas. Look, here's one for maid of honor. Here's a wedding style one. There's so many different styles in that kind of oldie, newspapery, vintagey style, which is quite nice, quite cool. There's black and white ones, there's color ones. Is there anything that you want? I mean, the styles are amazing. There's so many of these, but I'm gonna keep it real simple. I'm just gonna click this one, right? It doesn't even matter, right? I've chosen one, I've clicked on it, and then what I'm gonna now do is I'm gonna say customize the template. Now, remember, this is something customizable. What you'd end up doing is when you sell this as a digital product to a customer, you just send them the link, and the link will take them to Canva. And then what they'll do, they'll just upload the image and they'll edit it themselves. So actually, you're not doing that much, right? You're just showing them what the idea is and that they can buy it through you. Okay, so let me go to customize the template. Okay, so I've gone to customize the template. Now, before I get into this, guys, if you are new to digital products and you're not sure exactly what type of digital product you want to sell, because remember, there are thousands of different types of digital products. I do have a school community and I'm taking only a certain amount of students to teach them how to build a profitable digital product business. So if you're interested in that, do check out my school community. Remember, numbers are limited. Now, let's get into this madness. So literally, this is it. You've got your template, which is now editable. So all of this you can actually change. So where it says Benjamin and Claudia officially hits, I can just say it's official from AJ, like me. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just show you how to do this. Click on the picture. I'm going to go to uploads, going to find something that I've got. I'm just going to use one of my thumbnails that I've used before. Let me click this one with my face and the harsh truth, and you just drop it in the box. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to where's edit? Click on it, go to edit, the edit bar, because I need it to be black and white. So go to adjust, go down, take off the saturation, take it off, black and white, matches the background. And then literally I can sort of change any bits, but you're understanding the principle now, how easy it is to kind of personalize, right? Really, really simple. And guys, that's all it is. So you can actually create sort of a Valentine's template, you can create a wedding template, you can create a graduation template in this digital sort of way, newspaper style. That's all it is. That is exactly what it is. And once you're happy with it, you can actually share it, right? You can share a link to the customer and then literally they can personalize it themselves. It's not even that hard. Obviously you need to get Canva, but that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. But the beauty about this is it crosses over different customer bases, and yet you're selling the same product, which is quite amazing about this. So anyway, guys, drop a comment below if you got a question. Anyways, if you did like the video, remember, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.